Who's got little yellow boots? Oh my goodness, look at her go. Are you having a good time? Hi. Hi. Yes. Just a little bit skitty. This is her second time with him on, or third?
Yeah, second time.
Well, it didn't take her long to get used to him.